Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can design social media posts using Canva. So firstly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into canva.com/social-media slash. You're gonna go into this link, click enter, and then once you're on this page, you're gonna click on design for social media. Now once you click on this link, it will open up a new tab and you will be presented with a few templates as well that you can use for your social media post. So as you can see on the left side, we can already see a few templates that we can use. So let's use this one. As you can see, we have all seen a lot of Instagram or Facebook posts like this. So once you're selected a template, so you can find other templates as well over here. But if you like this one, you can simply click on the text on it and you can edit that text. Now you can change whatever you want over here to be written, and over here at the bottom where it says www dot whatever, you can change it to your website as well. That's how you can create social media posts using Canva. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.